In March 2020, the cruise industry shut down completely. This followed a very high-profile coronavirus outbreak on a cruise ship in February in China. The cruise line stocks at this point actually went down 70%. Cruise lines have had to refund almost a year's worth of cruises, and 30 million people cruise per year, so that is no easy task. The cruise lines continue to burn through cash to keep their cruise ships operational. The biggest cruise company, Carnival, are still burning through $530 million per month. To decrease cash burn, almost all cruise lines have sold or scrapped cruise ships, with a record-breaking 33 sold ships in 2020. Unfortunately, not all cruise lines have survived the pandemic. Cruise lines in Europe are leading the return to cruising, with MSC Cruises successfully cruising from Italy since July, and many more cruise lines now sailing in Europe and Asia. The return to cruising includes strict social distancing, mask wearing, tests before boarding, and a reduced capacity on board.